award goes to the graduate who has demonstrated academic excellence, hard work and maturity, among other positive attributes. The student exuded academic and professional prowess in the execution of all her college engagements. Her passion for hard work and unfailing dedication to her professional growth were always outstanding and put her in the limelight. This student did her teaching practice at Beitbridge Government Primary School in Beitbridge District, where she acquitted herself exceptionally well by always having her teaching practice documents up to date. She distinguished herself as a mature and orderly teacher. She had excellent classroom management skills. This student scooped the distinctions in all the 4 areas of the course. Namely, teaching practice, theory of education, professional studies, and mathematics main subjects. For being the overall best student in the division of teacher education, the student receives a laptop from Tel 1, computer speakers, and a document holder from Quadrite.